ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರು ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣನಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಾಠನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವೀಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಿರೋ ಅಂತ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹೆಸರು, ಆ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾ, ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಸರ್, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿರೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿರೋ ಯಾವ ತರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿರೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಾನು PPT ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಗಳ ಪರಿಚಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು 4th ಲೆಸನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು PPT ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಹಾ, ಕಳಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನೇತ್ರಾ, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಿರೋ?
ಸರ್,
ನಾನು ಮಿರೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.
Netra, can you confirm you are able to see my doodling tool?
Yes sir, I can see your screen.
Okay. This is a new tool called Miro. Anyway, these functionalities are also available in Google Jamboard. ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೂಲ್ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ರೆಡಿಮೇಡ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಈ ತರ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮೌಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಶೇಪ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ
What are you sorry, but what are you using to draw these shapes? Are you picking up from the available
No, I am just freely drawing.
Okay. You have a tool? What is the tool?
This tool is called Miro, which you are seeing on the left top corner, MIRO. This is a free tool. Then I am just using my mouse.
Okay.
For example, if you want to draw a circle, even if you draw crookedly, then it
it gets done.
It gets done by itself. It looks as if I have used some tool. Okay, if you are using tablet, it also gives you a very interesting option like this. Last time I had shown. Let me bring it up.
Yeah.
1 second. Let me just share this.
This is free download, right? Free download.
Freely available. The paid version will allow you to do it in a team, whereas free it will allow only one person to draw. Other people have to just see it.
Okay.
So 1 second. Let me share again.
But a teacher can use it in the classroom, right? Alone. I mean, for the
teacher. Yeah. Now I assume I am a teacher.
Now
all of you are able to see, right?
This is the free version you're doing. Yeah.
Look at
Okay.
this. If I use my tablet to do this, then like I can write any crooked bird-like thing. It will immediately ask me, did you try to write a parrot? Then it will bring a parrot.
Okay.
So like
Sir,
this.
in mobile version, there's only shapes only, no?
No, even no, in tablet this is available. Okay, so you can write in a
Only in
freehand.
tablets and only in tablets and PC.
In computer this is not available. Computer only you can do shapes, whereas in tablet it allows you to do these different shapes as well. And virtually you can write anything in the world because it uses machine learning and artificial intelligence, and it brings whatever shape you want.
Okay. I have
Okay.
a question. Can I pose now?
Yeah.
No, I just want to know, because when you say tablet, you mean like iPad is also considered as a tablet?
Yeah, iPad or Galaxy Tab.
So
Yeah.
now, what's the difference between why, if you can use this on an iPad or a tablet, why can't you use it on the computer screen? I mean, it's the same technology, right?
No, in tablet you use the app, whereas here you use the browser version.
Okay. That's the.
And also another thing is mouse, you cannot write these fine curves, no? Whereas in tablet you can use pen or your hand.
Yeah, finger. Yeah.
But any regular normal tablet, you don't need any hi-fi tablet.
Okay.
Any tablet will do, any Galaxy or any Redmi, anything, because it needs that pencil interface.
Okay.
Okay, so like
I can
this.
use my book. I mean, like that Sony Kindle
Yeah. Yes.
tablet.
Yeah. Okay, now let me show you how powerful this can get. For example, we are using in our office to do one very large project where 100 of us are working, 100 people are working. Look at this, how useful this will get. Let me stop presenting. Yeah, let me share again. Yeah, so this particular board, we are using for very large project. Now look at this, I can infinitely zoom it. So as of now, I made it very small so that you get at least overview of what is available. Now I can go and zoom each screen by screen. Now this is equivalent to using some 20 computer screens worth. Now let me just go one by one. For example, let me just start with this one. Initially, what the survey what we did with 170 teachers. Now I can freely zoom this, okay, so that all of you can read it. So then I can drag it as if I am dragging a piece of paper, as if I have written in an infinitely large sheet of paper. I can draw left and right or top or bottom just by holding the mouse. Okay, now whatever feedback all the about 160 teachers have given about online teaching, look at how neatly I can bring it up without any switching any application. Now so look at the advantage and productivity gain which we'll get. I can just zoom it and make it available, and I can display, and we can discuss about this. So this becomes very, very useful when we are collaboratively doing, whether it is research or whether it is teaching or whether it is doubt clearing. So yeah, it opens up infinite possibilities. Now look at this. I want to show another web page. So how fast I need not have to switch the page because everything is already loaded, and it is now loading locally. So it comes so fast, and also it is so clear.
I just want to ask you one more question. This is it, I mean, like when a whole team is working, can everybody have an access to kind of modify and do things right there? It's like interacting.
Yeah. In
Real
fact,
time.
this is the paid version. In fact, I can right away give the control to you. You can also type.
Oh,
You can also do whatever I am doing. You can also do.
okay.
So it's a collaborative whiteboard.
Exactly. No, that's what I said. Everybody should have the control to
Huh.
be able to manipulate it.
And whoever is writing, their name will come on the mouse. That means I
Okay.
know exactly who is doing what.
Right. Oh, that's a great advantage.
Yeah. So, and also for doing any complex projects, this is I don't think we can do it in regularly without using this tool, right? Because look at this. This is about 100 people are working on this. This is a huge project. Okay. So whether it is the screen design or whether it is what is available in already, this is the MHRD site. Okay, like that I can quickly bring in and we can doodle it. This all we can doodle it and we can write it freehand as if whatever you are seeing here, which they have written freely. So you can also do it.
No, but how do you organize it? Now, let's say it's 100 people project and you have a basic version of something and everybody is contributing to modifying it, let's say, a model. That
No,
everybody is
again, first we will have to do mind mapping.
Ah.
Okay, it can start as simple as like this. Let me get like this post-it sheets.
Yeah.
Okay, like each of you can write a post-it in a different color and paste it here.
Okay.
So then we can get into like one of us can get into this is the sequence in which we have to do, and I can assign each box to a person. Then you can go ahead and create a design for me like this one. Let's see. And so now this we will assign to one designer.
Okay.
Then that designer will design this entire thing. Then while they are doing it, it won't disturb anything, even though other person is working on the same board.
Oh, okay. So it comes as each person's version.
No, it's one version of the truth. That means even though it's multiple people are working, everybody will know what's happening. Okay. For example, you assume this is an infinite sized white sheet where each one of us are writing in one corner. So like that it is, and it is possible to quickly see the overview so that we don't lose out the bigger picture.
Okay.
For example, here, as soon as I do this, look at this. This gives me on the right side the bird's eye view. Then I can move the cursor to zoom to wherever I want, or I can just go by screen by screen like this. On the left side, you will get this thumbnail view. Then you can just keep clicking. You can navigate between each. And another good point is if you give the website like this, it actually this MHRD site, then it scrapes the screen and brings as if you are seeing this screen live. Actually, this is a snapshot of that portal. This is another advantage. You need not have to be connected to internet while working on this. You can just download once and keep it with you. Any number of sites if you want to refer. Now look at this. Even though if you go to this site, you will see only this first portion. Whereas this will just get whatever you can scroll. Like this entire thing it will bring. So it gets very powerful. You will realize the power once you start using it. Okay. Now let me just show what Bharti madam has done with this tool, how she is using it to teach. And interestingly, you can also type in Kannada. Let me just share it. Bharti madam, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ? How did you start and
ಸರ್
what challenges
ನಿಮ್ಮ
you faced?
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಿರೋ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಿರೋ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸರ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೂಗಲ್
ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೋ ಏನು ಅಂತ?
ನಾನು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಗು.
ಹಾ,
ಯಾ ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಯಾ ಓಕೆ. ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಮಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ? ಯಾಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ ಯಾವ್ದು?
Anyway, while she comes back, I think because of the bandwidth
please
issue.
Can you ask?
She has clearly mentioned she is teaching in 8th standard. This she is using for teaching maths.
Okay.
And Kannada medium, and she wanted to type also in Kannada. Then I suggested to her to use the Google input tools. Bharti madam, ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಆ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯಿಂದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನುಡಿ ಫಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ನಂತರ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂನಿಕೋಡ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಫೊನೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು ಸರ್ ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದೆ ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತು ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಯಟ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, very good. Tara, do you have any question?
Yeah,
sir.
Yeah, Tara, please go ahead. ಲತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವರು ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಗೂಗಲ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಕಪ್ಲಿಯಾ ಭಾರತಿ ಕಟ್ಟಂಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎನಿ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಎನಿ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಗಳ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಿರೋ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಿರೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದು.
ಸರಿ. ಅದೇ ತಾರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
ನಾನು 8th 9th 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಯಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ DSCRT ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಲೆಸನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನನಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು PPT ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್
ಇದು
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್
ಒನ್
ಮೇಡಮ್
ವೇ
ಇದು.
ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ನಾವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್
ಅದೇ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಇವಾಗ
ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್
ಓಕೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು
ಓಕೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಏಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
ನನಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬಂದು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಗಳು ಪರಿಚಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾಠದ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಬಹುಭುಜಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು PPT ಈಗ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಆ ನಂತರ ಬಂದು ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಗಳಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅದು
ಹೇಗೆ
ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ
ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಇದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ PPT ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದು ಶೇರ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೇ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಇದ್ರ PPT ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈಗ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ?
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದು?
ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ನೀವು ಮಿರೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡ, ಇದೆ ಹೇಗೂ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದೇ ಮಿರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ,
ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಮತ್ತೆ JPEG ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು PDF ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಸಡನ್. ಅದು JPG ಇಮೇಜ್
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ JPG ಇದೆ, PDF ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅನುಕೂಲ.
ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಸರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನೀವು ಇವರು ಭಾರತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಉರ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಹುಭುಜಗಳು, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಮಿರೋ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
हेलो
या
कहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड करें, इसका लिंक?
miro.com. एक मिनट, उधर भी जाता हूँ, एक मिनट.
miro.com.
एक उधर वो भी दिखाता हूँ.
ಸರ್ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಝೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಗಿಂತ ಸರ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬಹುದು ಸರ್. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್ DSCRT ಇಂದ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಸರ್ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ CBSE ಇದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್, 1 day 1 ಸೆಷನ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ
ಮುಂಚೆ
ಯೂಸ್
ನಾನು ಟೀಮ್ಸ್
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ.
ಓಕೆ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀ ವರ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಚಾಟ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಐ ಶಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೂಗಲ್
ಓಕೆ
ಮೀಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ
ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ
ಅದೇ
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Ma'am, it also doesn't support to Linux software.
Yeah, no, it will support. Anyway, we'll come there. So yeah, Vidyadhar, this is now Miro.com मैंने ओपन किया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी न्यू बोर्ड खोलता हूँ. अब ये पूरा खाली आपको मिल जाएगा. एस्केप डालता हूँ. Now अभी आपको पूरा व्हाइट बोर्ड है. आप जैसा स्कूल में ग्रीन बोर्ड है, व्हाइट बोर्ड और ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज करते हैं, ऐसा ये मिल जाएगा. अभी देख लीजिए. मैं क्या
हेलो सर, इसके
हाँ
लिए तो इंटरनेट का जरूरत होगा.
हाँ, इंटरनेट का जरूरत है.
अच्छा,
और इसका ऐप भी है. ये वेब वर्जन है. ये मैं ऐप डाउनलोड किया हूँ. ये मेरा लैपटॉप से ऑफलाइन वर्क हो रहा है. एक बार
सर ये
डाउनलोड किया तो ऑफलाइन.
ऐप है या एप्लीकेशन है? मतलब मोबाइल में उसको डाउनलोड करें या डेस्कटॉप में भी कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, डेस्कटॉप में भी कर सकता है, मोबाइल में भी कर सकता
ओके
है.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Excuse me, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ हाँ, बोलिए.
What's the name of that app?
Miro. MIRO.
Okay.
देख रहे हैं ना? हाँ, whatever you are seeing on the left top. Okay. So yeah, now let's explore quickly. So let me go to the web version only. Now I can write either shapes, either the square like this, or I can get into the circles like what madam was trying. Okay, then I can make any copies quickly. So like this I can do it. So I just made some copies here. Then you can organize it if you want it. If you want to bring in any hierarchy, just drag and drop in the mouse. It will allow you to, for example, if you want to bring in 2 children along this, like this you can create. Then you can also write this arrow. If from this to this, if you want to do like this, they are, if you want any free form, you can do that as well, or this regular, this type of arrow which madam had used, straight lines, curved lines. So like this it makes it yeah, a bit nicely looking than regular shapes. Then you can also put some sticky notes. Then you can choose the color of the sticky note if you want to show something. Now let's type some text. Now I will type in English first. Then depending on the size, it will automatically increase the font. You need not have to worry about the size of the font. Okay, so it takes care of automatically. Now let me start typing in other languages. Bharti madam, you can use this Google input tools, so that this is quite useful.
Yeah.
Input tools like Kannada. So this is Google input tools.
Yeah.
1 second, let me zoom. Yeah. Now, anyway, by default, since I had used Kannada, but you can then you can choose any language. Some 64 languages it supports. So then you can just copy this and paste it on Miro. Now I want to put some text here, just put T and put it here. So ಇದನ್ನ zoom ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this you can even control, change the color and all those things. or if you want to highlight, you can highlight. So like this. हाँ विद्याधर, any doubt? Yeah, पता चल गया ना, ये बहुत सिंपल आसान है. Then you can zoom, or you can just drag. You can just hold the space bar and drag using mouse. Then you can drag left and right. I'm just holding space bar now, moving the mouse. It is moving the sheet. Or if you want, then you can, if you have the wheel in your mouse, it zooms like this smoothly. Or you can use this plus or minus zoom in, zoom out also on the right bottom corner. Like this is one sheet. You want to create one more sheet, you just go to this thumbnail and you can just create a frame. Okay, this is created one frame like this. Then now I know this, how big or small it is. Then I can put this inside this frame. Okay, then I can select all the shapes. Okay. Then I can make it short and bring it into one shape so that it's easy for you to control by thumbnails on the left side. I can keep adding frames like this left bottom corner. So any number of frames. So this gives you full flexibility. So you can have notes for multiple classes or multiple concepts. ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಕರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಸ ಸಂಧಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Then also you can give the good name to the frame. For example, this one triangle. So that then you know which one. Squares. Then you can go by this triangle. If you do this, it will zoom. If you click on square, it will get the square. Any doubts?
No, sir. No.
So this gives it gives you very freehand writing skills, but it makes it look geometric and very neat. Yeah, shall we move on to the next topic? If nobody has any question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here Google input tools also. Let me see what all languages it gives. Now let me open the English version. So that yeah, they also have Urdu. Kausar madam use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದು?
ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್. ಉರ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I don't know how to make sense out of it, but ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
आप खाना खाया?
So good. Yeah, use ಮಾಡಿ. The advantage is you can copy paste and it works in all the softwares. For example, now I can put this here. ನೋಡಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ left to right, right to left, automatically it takes care. So
So you type it at the bottom and then copy paste it, is it?
I typed in another screen. Like I went to, since I'm in browser, I opened this Google input tools. This is There, here you can select some 64 languages.
Okay. Oh, so that
You
means
can
you're
choose.
on a different browser. This thing from the browser, you're bringing it into this screen. Are you? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
copy pasting.
Okay.
That's the advantage.
But all this is difficult in on a phone, right? I mean, but this is easier done in on a laptop or this thing.
No, on phone also you can do. Yes, it's a bit cumbersome, but it is supported because it's all browser based.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's also one of the teacher wanted to see how to do this interactive animation on Scratch. So Chetna, have you logged in through your laptop? Can you show it?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it only about the quizzes or even about the GIF?
Even about the GIF, because today we have a lot of new teachers, so they don't know anything. So you have to start from the basics.
Okay, then I'll start with quizzes, sir.
No, first you have to introduce what is Scratch. How easy to get started.
Okay. Just a second, sir.
No problem. Take your time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, recently I was browsing the code.org page, and there they are conducting some things on AI. So when I clicked on that, I found a few links. So there I found a link like how Google search works. So can I share the link in the chat box?
Yeah. You can share it with me.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Anyway, you can go ahead. Anyway, you can. Yeah. Thanks. Got it. So
Okay.
you can explain, Netra, you can explain this to the children tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I still have to read it. I'll read it today and I'll explain it tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah, for the benefit of other teachers, both Chetna and Netra are still students. Chetna is in 9th standard now, and Netra is in 6th standard. They are doing very interesting work. Let's see what they have to show.
Okay, sir. I'll share right now.
Sure.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
It's coming up. Yeah, we can see it now. Go ahead.
Okay, when you open Scratch, okay, let me introduce what Scratch is. Scratch is actually used for doing some projects, making these characters move, talk, and different things, which is pretty interesting. And you can use it for many, many topics also. Like you can use it for academics, or you can use it for games, anything. And so if there's a character over here, this is Sprite 1. So what is Sprite? Sprite are nothing but characters. Okay, let me show how many characters are there. So these are all characters. You can choose any of them. So this is another character. These are called sprites in Scratch. So if you want to move this cat near this girl, let me code it how it is. I'll run it right now. So this says when flag click. This flag is right over here. This green thing, that is flag. When this flag is clicked, so you're actually telling it to run the whole program you have written here. So when flag is clicked, move 100 steps. And the reason why I gave it 100 steps is because if you give it 10 steps, it will not be so noticeable. I'll show it again. So it barely made any change. So I'll give it 100 steps. And so you can see that the cat moves. And you can do many things like change its costume. costumes are nothing but, okay, this is costume 1 and this is costume 2. It's like having different, you're having different pictures of the same character, which will be like they move, something like that. Okay, I'll just give a little gap. Okay, I think I need to change. Okay, this will be visible right now. I hope you could see that this actually changed its costume.
Yeah, we could see it. Now, can you show your heart animation so that they know how they can suddenly convert this cartoon-looking thing into serious teaching aid?
सर
Yes, sir.
सर यहाँ पे हम जो लड़की भी खड़ी है और ये दोनों को एक साथ मूव कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ
एक
हाँ हाँ
क्लिक
कर
पे?
सकता है, हाँ कर सकता है। मैं इसके बाद मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको।
ठीक।
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
हाँ।
Okay. Should I explain it also?
No, first run it so that they will see, then you can explain.
Heart.
This is the sound of a heartbeat.
I think both of your microphones are on. Can you mute one of them?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Heart.
This is the sound of a heartbeat. Our heart is made up of 4 chambers. Namely, left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, and right ventricle.
Fun facts. The average heart is the size of an adult fist.
Your heart will beat around 1,15,000 times each day. Each day, your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood.
A man's heart is typically 2 ounces heavier than a woman's.
The blood vessel system would extend over 60,000 miles. A woman's heart beats slightly faster than a man's.
Now, let's take a small quiz. How many chambers are there in a human heart? Option A, 5. Option B, 10. Option C, 2. Option D, 4. Correct, that's right. How long would our blood vessel system extend? Option A, 1,000 miles. Option B, 10,000 miles. Option C, 60,000 miles. Option D, 4,000 miles. Better luck next time.
Yeah, just pause
Now,
it.
let's see how.
Yeah, this is to the all teachers. Nodido, this software is free, and this is created by this one of the very premier institute in America. It's called Massachusetts Institute of Engineering, MIT. Nodido, full ನೀವು ಪವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ ಹೌ ಶಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. Yeah.
The person who is teaching, that is Radha, right? The girl.
Yeah, Chetna. She's, ninth standard.
Oh.
And Radha is her mother. Her name is Chetna.
No. Who did this? I mean, the voice.
Chetna did this. Everything Chetna only did this. Chetna and her younger sister, they have given the voice.
Yeah. Okay. So that means they are actually, do you realize the potential? Because now students in 8th and 9th standard can take up a subject and do this kind of, I mean, they are learning on their own, and they can share this and with the classmates. The teacher needn't do it all the time then.
Yeah. Now look at the power.
Huh.
She not only learned it, she has also animated it, and she has also introduced quizzes in between.
Yeah, that's what. So they are more inventive than the teachers. Now the teachers have a lot to learn. They're really teachers and students. There is no distinction between the two now.
True,
Everybody
true.
are learners.
True. Yeah. Now let's look at this as a possibility. There is no competition here. Now they can
Exactly.
together create this content, and they can use it to scale up.
All right.
And they can assign this as a homework to the different students.
Yeah.
Imagine now Chetna is able to do this. How long it took Chetna end to end?
Sir, it took almost 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's fine. 3 weeks,
That's
because
fine.
this
You
is
know
the
what?
first time she has done.
No. Doesn't matter, because it's the burden is not all on the teacher. She can distribute each topic to different students, groups of students or students, and they can come up with it. So it's not as if the teacher's overloaded and teacher has to prepare every single lesson.
That's true. That is true. And look at the power of digital media. Now she has created. Now the whole of India can use this. Whole of world can use this.
Exactly.
And this is already on internet because it's already on a MIT portal.
Oh, okay. Oh, her work, Chetana's work.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I need the link for it, because
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Now look at the power. It works on all platforms. It works on the mobile phone. It works on tablets. She need not have to design anything specially for anything.
Okay. So this means what the teachers in the government schools can also use this, and students even in far-flung remote villages can upload it and learn from it.
True. Now look at it. It works offline as well. I can download and send the image in WhatsApp or email. And you can just download into Raspberry Pi or any other laptop offline, where Scratch is loaded. As long as same version of the Scratch is loaded offline, you can use it.
Okay.
That means this can be consumed even in the offline mode.
Okay. Oh, so this hard thing is Scratch, is it?
Scratch.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Now she is going to show how she did it.
Okay. Great.
Now let's hear Kausar madam or Bharti madam ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನೋ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಇವಾಗ
ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಕೌಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
Okay.
Beautiful video.
Yeah. Now, Chetna, show the design view.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. How I did that heart when it was rotating 360 degree was actually a GIF available online. Anybody can access it. And I first tried taking screenshots of the whole thing and importing it into Scratch, but that was.
Are you showing the screen? There's blank. I mean, I don't see any screen.
She's showing one. I think one child's photo is there. Are you able to see it?
No.
No, there are actually. She has logged in 2 accounts. I think one of them you have to pin it.
Okay, got it. I got it.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Chetna.
Yeah, I was trying to take screenshots of the GIF, but I couldn't get the whole rotating thing. So what I did, I tried to import the whole GIF into Scratch. To my surprise, it had already made it into costumes. It had taken everything into each frame, and it was all ready to, just make it as a video. And so here, this is a GIF where this child will be blinking her eye, and this has 16 costumes. And the code is, when I click this flag, it should change its costume, wait for 0.1 seconds, and do this forever. And I'll run it now.
Yeah, look at the power. Now it is just blinking. Now she can add her voice and make her speak something. And she has full control on when to blink and when to stop as well. That is the power of Scratch.
Yeah, if you don't want it to run forever, you can just tell how many times you want it to do. Like if you want it to do it for, like there are 16 costumes right now, so I'll just give 16 because it will run once. Yeah.
So like this, it gives you full control as if she's creating a full-fledged animated movie. So there is only imagination is the limit.
Yes, sir. And I also took some pictures of heart, and I explained like having other sprites moving about on that picture, which was set as backdrop. I'll share another one.
Oh, can you show that? Can you show that how you did it? I mean, the heart picture.
Yes, I'll just share it again. Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Share the wrong screen.
Doesn't matter. Go slow, doesn't matter.
Okay. Well, when I just click this green flag, these are all pictures over here. Let me do it. This heart is a picture. This pancreas, this pancreas is a picture. Brain is also a picture.
All these pictures you picked up from the website, right?
Yeah, it was available online, Google.
But how did you combine this into one? You have got one image or multiple images side by side?
Yeah, multiple images.
Yeah, show
all
the
these
sprite.
can be moved.
Yeah.
In the slide? Oh, okay. Oh.
Sorry.
Wow.
Okay.
Now go to the design mode, show the sprites. Scroll down.
No, this heart, how did it move? How did it move? Is it because she used the scratch that it moved?
Yes, she will show the costumes of the heart.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Okay, I'll go with this one. I'll go to costumes. This one.
Yeah, Tara are able to frame by frame.
What she's doing is, see, first the whole slide is imported from wherever, from the Google
Wikipedia.
site. And then you bring it into this scratch frame. And you pick up the one of it, and then you use the costume and other instructions to do whatever you want with it.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I got it now.
So here is, for the benefit of other teachers who are seeing, if you want to do some animation, give us the problem. We will, if not solve the 100%, we will select the right sprite and give it to you so that you can do the rest. We'll just give you the skeleton so that you can do the rest. So that will help you to get started. Otherwise, it might look complicated, but once you get started, then it is very easy. Just 1 second. Let me share my screen, Chetna.
Yes, sir. I'll stop.
Can just stop it. Yeah. Tara, look, now I will do everything from scratch.
Okay.
Literally
Okay.
from scratch. You see,
Okay.
even searching the heart video.
Oh,
For
great.
example,
That's really lovely. Yeah. Yeah.
now look
Is
at
this
this.
recording? Is this recording?
Yes, it is recording.
Oh, okay, great.
Now look at it. All I do is heart, GIF, and Wikipedia.
Wait a minute. Now I'm not getting your screen on. Oh, why am I not getting your screen?
Oh, I think I have not shared. Is it? One second. Sorry. Just, let me share my screen.
Yeah, now I can see you.
Yeah, now all you have to go to Google and just type this heart GIF Wikipedia because you need heart.
Okay.
Okay, now let me just click on images. I will get only GIFs here. You see, all GIF only. And why Wikipedia is, Wikipedia does not stop you. It is not copyrighted with anybody. It will allow you to use it. Otherwise, if you just do Google without Wikipedia, you might get into challenge if 1 million people start using it.
Okay. So now you pick this up from Wikipedia, is it?
Wikipedia.
Okay.
Then this is free and this is shared under Creative Commons. That means anybody can use it freely.
Oh, right.
Okay, nobody will come behind you.
Yeah.
Now I will choose this first one, which is the GIF. Okay. Now,
what is the difference between GIF and GIF? Because it keeps, kind of animating by itself.
GIF is nothing but a video only with less number of frames, and it keeps repeating.
Okay.
And GIF is smaller size compared to video.
Okay.
Okay.
So why did you choose GIF?
Yeah, I will tell you why. Now I can do this anyway. Sprite allows supports only GIF. Sprite does not. Sorry, Scratch supports only GIF. Scratch does not support MPEG 4 videos. Okay. Now let me download this. Okay, this has come to again. You have to save it as GIF only. Yeah. Now I'm sharing it to my laptop. Okay, it got saved. Now I will open Scratch. Now I'll go into create new. So now I don't need this. I don't need even the cat. What I will do is I will go to the Sprite and I will use this option called upload Sprite.
Okay.
Now I will choose the heart GIF which I just downloaded. And once I click open, you see one magic happens. It takes some time, but what it does is it brings in one sprite, but it will bring, look at how many costumes it created.
Oh, okay.
It made each frame it downloaded gave me 29 costumes. Okay, look what is each costume. Now I will keep clicking. You can see what it is doing.
Oh, it's like slow motion.
It's slow motion. So this is the feature which is provided by Scratch. This is not available in PPT, PowerPoint. So this is such a powerful feature of Scratch. Now look at this. To animate this, all I have to do this is 2 lines of code. All I need to do is go to the control and say forever and get one in this green flag on the top. All I have to do is go to looks and say next costume. If I don't do anything, it will do like original GIF only. You see the magic. I will click here. Okay, so this is the original GIF without any delay. If you want it to go under slow motion, all you need to do is go to the control and include a wait. This is one option. Or if you want to go step by step, you don't need this. What you do is in again go to control or events. When let's say space key is pressed, you bring this and get this new costume here. That's it. Now when I press space bar, it will show the next. And if I keep the space bar pressed, the video will play. Now whenever I want to stop and explain, I will just lift my finger and explain this.
Oh, so that means out of the 29 frames, you can stop it at any place you want.
Yes.
Okay.
Another beauty is you know exactly which frame to bring in. Then you can look at this. You go to looks and say switch costume. So switch costume to you give the number directly.
So let's say 15.
Now go to 15. Now look at this, how neatly it gives you the drop down. So as soon as I press spacebar, it immediately shifts to 15.
Okay.
And I can use like this. I can code anything. I can code alphabets also. Go there, and when key instead of space, you look at this. It gives you all alphabets.
What is the advantage? What do you do now? Can you demonstrate with the
when
alphabet?
let's say if P is pressed, do what? I will go to, let's say instead of 15, I will go to 28. When P is pressed, it will directly go to 28. Instead, if I let me duplicate this and put one here and one here. Now, when space is pressed, I'll be in 15 only. Let's say. Okay, now look at what magic happens. I'm pressing space, it went to 15. Now I'm pressing P, it goes to 28. So it will now switch between only these two.
Oh.
So like this, yeah, it is a very simple demonstration. But if you want to introduce any new parameter or new organ, you can do it with any, you can connect it with any keys. Now we can go into these costumes and you can go and name it. For example, in slide 15, you want to give the name. For example, bring up 15 and you can go and type, this is aorta or something.
Oh,
and this
okay.
is there,
Right.
this is there only in 15. You see the magic. You go back and say when spacebar is pressed, aorta comes. When P is pressed, something, it won't come. So this is the power.
Okay.
ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Now let me, Bidyadhar,
How do you rotate it?
Yeah, rotation.
The heart to show the different, like Chetana did. She showed the different angles, right?
No, then the GIF itself was different.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the rotating GIF. You can.
For example, just go to Google again. Now I will select another GIF. Let's say heart 3D. GIF. Again, Wikipedia. Go to images.
No, but what Chetana used was straight from MIT site, right? I mean, the whole thing.
That is the Scratch, but she was using heart from this Google only.
Oh.
Sir, I don't think there is any rotating GIFs in Wikipedia. This was.
So how did you do it then, Chetana?
I didn't search it as Wikipedia. I just searched it as heart 360-degree GIF.
Oh, okay. On Google?
Yeah.
Oh. That's how you picked it up. Where did this MIT thing come in then?
No, MIT I mentioned. The Scratch is created by MIT.
Oh, that, yeah. Oh, that's all. Okay. I thought MIT had ready-made kind of lessons and things like that. No.
No. But Scratch site has got a lot of things. For example, now let me go to Scratch. Now I can go there and search for these things. For example, probably somebody would have done it. Let's see.
Oh.
No, let me just say heart.
A whole lot of options come up.
Yeah. So like this means all done by students and volunteers. So there are millions of such projects. By default, the good ones, it will come under these featured projects. This will be high quality ones.
Okay. So can we just have a look at one of those? Just for sample.
Now let me see this. Somebody has music. So look at this. It neatly, here they give the instruction how to play. Now let me just play this and see. So it's about music.
Yeah.
So let melodious music, it will come in. Then you can go inside and see what they're doing. So they have also documented inside. If you see this comment, it is half Spanish. Okay. So let's see what it will. So like this, you can, whatever you select, it is playing that. It's very melodious, no?
I can't hear. I don't know why. What happened? I can't hear.
1 second. Probably I have to put it in external speaker.
So no, your presentation is muted.
Okay, okay. It is, no, my microphone is on. Anyway, I will share this link. You can just run it.
Okay.
It's available on MIT portal anyway. So what I said is, yeah, there are millions of projects already. We can go and play and get inspired, and we can also take it and evolve this.
Does Chetana also do PPT and all that? I mean, like she does a lot of PPT presentations?
No. No, I haven't tried any.
Only Scratch?
Yeah, I just got into coding like 4 months ago, and I'm just exploring things.
Yeah, you've reached great heights already. Mark my words, you'll reach higher echelons.
Thank you.
Tara, just for your information, just last week, both Netra and Chetna, along with 2 more kids, they presented to my colleagues, 200 Infosys parents. So they were all inspired by what they are doing.
Right. I'm also highly impressed. You know, for me, this possibility, what is very exciting is the possibility that, the teacher is not the only teacher in the whole classroom. Now it can become a real democratic platform, teaching.
Yeah, that is true. या विद्याधर अभी देख लीजिए, मैं 2-3 इंट्रोड्यूस करके सब एक साथ मूव करता हूँ. विद्याधर देख रहे हैं ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, ये ऐसा करके कुछ करते हैं. अभी ये लड़की को मूव करता हूँ.
जैसे कि सर मैं 2 इमेज के लिए 2 कोड उसमें डालता हूँ, लेकिन दोनों को मर्ज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
हाँ, अभी दिखाता हूँ. अभी एक देख लीजिए ना, इसका नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम भी डालते हैं. अभी सिर्फ कैट मूव हो रहा है, तो कैट को वापस बुलाते हैं. ठीक है. हाँ, नाउ ये कोड को ये लड़की में भी डाल देता हूँ. ओके, ये आपको पता है ना, जस्ट ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप किया तो ये सब पूरा कोड इधर भी जाएगा, इधर भी है.
यस सर.
अभी मैं अगर ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक किया तो दोनों मूव होगा. आपको एनी डाउट है क्या इधर? ये दोनों एक ही साथ मूव हो रहा है ना? अभी बाल को भी डालता हूँ ये कोड. अभी ये बाल हाँ नहीं, इधर नहीं है. हाँ, इधर भी आ गया. अभी देख लीजिए, ये बाल भी मूव होगा अभी. हाँ, ये थोड़ा अजीब दिख रहा है, बट यू कैन कंट्रोल द मोशन. एनी डाउट है क्या विद्याधर इसमें?
नहीं सर, सर अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ लड़की आगे भागे उसके बाद बिल्ली उसके पीछे भागे, तो दोनों को कोड अलग अलग लिखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, अभी अगर ये लड़की का ये पैर इसका टच करने के बाद ही बाल मूव होना चाहिए, वैसा कोड कर सकता है। वो कोड,
यस
हाँ
सर,
वो
यस।
कोड अभी एक कॉमन कोड नहीं चाहिए। अब देख लीजिए। हाँ, ये लड़की का कोड में आप ये सेंसिंग करके है ना, इधर जाके, नहीं आई थिंक, हाँ इफ टचिंग, इसके पहले आपको ये ऑपरेटर्स, नॉट ऑपरेटर, कंट्रोल, हाँ इफ, ये इफ ब्लॉक आपको चाहिए, ये कंट्रोल में मिलेगा आपको। इफ टचिंग, कलर स्प्राइट भी डाल सकते हैं। सेंसिंग में क्या, टचिंग कलर, टचिंग, हाँ ये वाला लीजिए। ये समझ आ रहा है ना?
यस सर, यस सर।
ओके, ये इसके अंदर भी डाल सकता है। और ये इफ टचिंग, इफ टचिंग इज नॉट माउस पॉइंटर, इफ टचिंग स्प्राइट सॉकर बॉल, अगर सॉकर बॉल को टच किया तो देन इसको ब्लॉक के आगे डालते हैं। देन इंस्टेड ऑफ टू, यू हैव टू नाउ, आप ये बॉल को मैसेज भेजना चाहिए। इसके लिए आपके पास एक और इवेंट है, उसको ब्रॉडकास्ट कहता है। ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज वन के बदले हम लिख लेते हैं किक। नाउ ये मैसेज ये बाल सब स्प्राइट को जाएगा। अभी आप ये बाल में जाइए और इसके बजाय ये डिलीट कर देता है, ये सब नहीं चाहिए। when I broadcast, sorry, when I receive kick, now I have to do something. I have to start moving. Okay, so you go to motion and say move. Okay, for now I will just say move 100 steps. And एक आवाज भी डालता हूँ, साउंड देते हैं, ये साउंड, आपको साउंड कितना साउंड चाहिए वो सब मिल जाएगा आपको इधर। अगर आप इधर क्लिक किया तो देख लीजिए। लूप्स, स्पोर्ट्स, बास्केटबॉल, सो या ये बाद में आप देख लीजिए। ये डिफॉल्ट साउंड जो है वो चूज कर लेता हूँ। आप साउंड में जाइए और सॉरी कोड साउंड इधर है, हाँ प्ले द साउंड अंटिल डन और मूव 100 स्टेप्स। ओके, अब देख लीजिए, सिर्फ जब इसका पैर इसका टच होगा तभी वो बॉल मूव होगा। अभी इसको क्लिक करता हूँ, समझ आया ना?
यस सर, यस सर।
अभी टच नहीं हो रहा इसलिए बाल नहीं मूव हो रहा, नहीं बाल को वापस बुला देता है। इफ टचिंग मोशन बाउंस, अब देख लीजिए। ऐसा आपको डेलिकेट भी मूव कर सकता है इसको। ओके, अगर है तो एक बार देख लेते हैं, सैंपल प्रोजेक्ट्स होगा इधर।
Sir, I think if you click see inside, it will load faster.
Yeah, now I pressed it. Let's see. हाँ, now इसको देख लेते हैं कैसे रन होता है. Wow, पूरा गेम शा. Oh, I have to kick, I think. Anyway. So they have made a full-fledged football match in this. That's good to see this. Probably we need to figure out how to play. Okay. So Vidyadhar, आपका imagination is the only limit. आप जो चाहिए वो कर सकता है.
ठीक है सर, ठीक.
Okay. Any other doubt? Anybody?
Sir, can we upload the 3D GIF on Miro?
Let me see. Here is where upload from my device. Select. Probably it may not play. It might import as just picture only. Let's see. Oh, it is importing. 1 second. Let me share it so that you can also see. That's a good thought, Kausar madam. Very interesting. Kausar madam, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ sir.
Let me see.
I can't see the screen.
No, again you have to click one of my. You will see two.
Oh yeah. I got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
This is playing very beautifully. Kausar got what she wanted.
Yes, sir.
Now you can write. Now this doubles up the possibilities. Thanks, Kausar, for this idea. Now I can do this and give a lot of marks like this.
For making video lesson, it is good, sir. That's
Yeah, Tara. Now a lot of possibilities are opening up.
Yeah, I can see. So that arrow mark is what you're showing, I mean, a particular part, and then you kind of write something on it.
Yeah. You can write freehand. You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Like this. So you can look at it. It gives you the option of languages. It gives you option of freehand. So possibilities.
How did you get this Urdu onto this? How did you get Urdu?
Same Google input tools.
Oh, okay. Oh, you import it from there. You have to do it there and bring it here.
So now look at this. How powerful this can get. It's much more powerful than the whiteboards even when the schools open after vaccination. Look at this. You can continue to use this powerful tool.
I know it's much better than the whiteboard. What the whiteboard can do.
And this is free.
No, not only that, because whiteboard is limited by what is available. Whereas this, you can create on this. Like a blackboard, you can kind of create on this.
And look, now this gets so powerful. Now I can save this as a PDF or a JPEG or anything, and I can share it with any of you. As soon as I click this, look at this. I can save it as an image, PDF, or a board, or a board backup, export as a CSV.
Sir, will it still work if it is in the form of PDF?
Yeah, No, this GIF will not work. Let's see. That's also interesting. Small, best quality.
Chetana, where do you study?
I study in Vijaya High School in 9th grade.
Vijaya High School. Bangalore? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chetna, you will lose the GIF capability. It will import as a picture, JPEG only.
Okay.
That's fine, no? This is still much better. If you want the original, you can just share even the Miro board link here. It is, this can be shared. For example, now I will share this with all of you. You can see it.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about the Miro board. Now the whole thing is happening on a Miro board, right? The whole scratch is happening on Miro board.
No, there's no scratch here. I'm just doodling it.
No, not now. Not now. But whatever Chetana did.
No, that she did only on Scratch, not on Miro.
Miro, okay. Also, now we did two things. The two are separate then. What?
Both. Yeah, two are separate.
Oh.
Miro is a commercial product, whereas Scratch is open source and free.
Oh, okay.
So now I have just shared on this Google Meet chat window. You can click and see the Miro, what I have created, which now you can see on your mobile or on your laptop. Just click and see. In the chat window, you will see a link. Just click that, and you should be able to see the Miro.
Oh, okay. Somebody raised a hand. I think had a question.
Yeah, if anybody has a question, please unmute and speak.
I saw a hand go up and say, want to ask a question. Who was that? I don't know.
Nazima Banu.
Correct.
Nazima Banu, good evening. Yeah, anybody was able to open the Miro board?
So we should first sign in and have an account. Account.
Okay. Yeah, you can do it later. You can just save the link. Anyway, it will open up. The advantage is then the GIF you can play locally on your laptop or mobile. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. It's 9 o'clock. So yeah, let's experiment with all the learnings which we did. I think a lot of possibilities have opened up. So yeah, please come back and share. Like today, Sujata madam had shared on the WhatsApp group how to use the FET animations she has used in her physics class. They're good to see how powerful and the feedback. So you can also explore the FET animations if you are using science
maybe
and
she can
math.
present it next time.
No,
Saturday.
Today Sujata is not here. Yeah, probably
I know,
next
not
time.
Today. I'm saying next Saturday.
Sure,
she can have a short presentation so that it will pick up momentum for the others.
Yeah, true. Okay, thanks a lot and have a nice evening.
Yeah, and a nice weekend. Stay safe, all of you, and see you next Saturday, hopefully.
Yeah, thanks, Chetna, for joining
Thank you,
us.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks, Bharti ma'am.
Good night, sir. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Yes.
Tara, ma'am. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.